Since childhood, I was fascinated with the engineering structures, and at the standard 8, I opted for technical subjects. Normally, people or normally students are taking 10 subjects for passing the 10th standard, but I was opted for 12 subjects, which includes two subjects engineering. So since 8 standard, 8, 9, 10, I studied 12 subject as a engineering, and then after 10 I joined Polytechnic, and since then I took engineering as a challenge.
So, how was your learning curve from a student to a pro today?
Uh, as I mentioned, I was fascinated with the engineering structure since my childhood. After 10, I was asked by my parent to do the 12 standard and do for normal engineering. But I insisted. After 10 only, I took a polytechnic, which is a 3 years diploma course, and afterward I took engineering as a degree course for 3 years. Like that, I took engineering from my childhood.
So, what various challenges do you face in your profession today?
Uh, Currently in civil engineering, I face the technical staff challenge, shortage of technical staff, then shortage of the labors, then there is a good standard practices which should be adopted, like foreign countries, they have laid down standards which is lacking here in India. That I think we need to give the more emphasis to upgrade the all these standards and manpower.
So, how do you see the adoption of steel sections in the Indian construction community?
Right now, in frankly speaking, in India, the steel consumption per capita is very less as compared to the European standards, which is I think around 250 kg per capita, as compared to more than 1000 kg per capita in foreign countries. So we have a lot of scopes to take a steel structure as a construction material in all sectors, in like a residential building, commercial buildings, IT buildings, institutional buildings. So in India we have a great scope for steel.
So, if you can change one thing in the construction practices in a country, what would that change?
Uh, if you would ask these questions, I will give the answer like that. Ki in construction industry, we need to change the standards first, standards of construction, standards of maintenance, because after construction we think maintenance is not a vital things to do the maintenance of the structures. So we need to have the practices of maintenance of the structures for more than 25 years, 50 years. So that need to be changed. Then quality standards for our residential, commercial buildings, government should let the quality standards, stringent quality standards in our industries, so that the structure should be long lasted. It should be quality marvels. It should be architectural marvels. And again, in maintenance practices also, they should lay down the codes. So one should maintain the building according to the code. So these two things I need, we are lagging.
So, as an engineer, how has been your relationship with steel as a material?
As an engineer, without steel we cannot construct, because right now we are using the structural steels for slabs, columns, beams. Another, right now I'm building the Goa airport where the steel roof structures are there. So since start we are using the steel.
Which is your best work in steel so far?
Right
What
now,
is the specialty about it?
yeah, right now we are doing a Goa airport which is having a steel roof truss, which consists of the parabolic structures and matching to the existing one. So that one is a challenge one for us. But in beam model we have completed the design, and now we are started constructing that roof truss, which is a challenging one, and I really enjoying that work.
So, which international steel-specific project inspires you the most for its structural elegance? And why?
I like mostly the leaning structure, leaning tower at in Italy. So that is my fascinating structure. Because of that time they have constructed that building, uh, considering that it is one of the major structure of the world, and after some few days that structure is leaning, and again they got a good, you can say the good uh, feedback कि बाबा this structure is more elegant. That's why I like that.
How do you upgrade yourself with the changing times?
See, in civil line, we need to change as per the as per the industry standards. Right now, there is a very big gap between our Indian standard and foreign standards. Like I will give the couple of example. In India, right now we are started using the beam model, building information model. Unlike the foreign industries, they are using building information model since last 30 years. So that is the one which I need, or I emphasis to learn all these students. They should take this beam model, then new construction methods, new techniques. Like there are various techniques available for construction, for fast construction, like aluminum shuttering. Then there is a tunnel shuttering. Then there is a table shuttering. All this shuttering system gives you the speed in the work. If you learn that techniques, then your construction speed with the quality will improve. In colleges, nobody will teach you these techniques. Rather, our syllabus is 30 years behind the industry, current industry level. So we need to upgrade that standard also. So I insist newcomers to learn new techniques as fast as, like a beam model, then shuttering schemes, then design parameters, all these things you learn.
So, what are the various factors that control the project costs and optimize the use of steel material? How do we cut on the cost?
The cut on the cost, the only thing is you can adopt the modern techniques, then the speed of the work. If you use these two techniques, then automatically your construction cost will be reduced.
So, what is your take on the current building codes and safety standards in a country?
Right now, what we are using the safety standard, we need to be upgraded as compared to the European standards. And second thing is, as I already mentioned, that consumption of steel need to be increased. For that, our industry fraternity like consultants, then government, then engineers, structural engineers, they should insist or they should adopt the steel structures as much as possible. Whenever they want the speed, the quality, good aesthetics, architect, then they can use the steel structure as a alternative material and increase the per capita consumption.
So, what is your take on the SCS Pune event?
I appreciate the organizing team, organizing members. They are coming up with this type of interactive sections, interactive seminars, so that you can say in other you can say everybody is aware of what is going on in the steels, what is the new techniques available in the steel sectors. That interaction is more important, and your organization team is doing a great job for that.
With this, we'll start the quick fire round. So, your college name and the place.
My college name is Government Polytechnic for Diploma, and then Mahatma Gandhi Missions Engineering College, which is based at Nanded, and my master degree at University of Aurangabad.
How many total years of experience do you have?
I have almost 30 plus years experience.
So, who is your idol or mentor?
My ideal mentor is, of course, my chairman, Mr. R. Vasudevan, then my CEO, Dr. Santosh Sundarajan, and of course our great engineers Vishwesharaya.
What is your mantra for success?
Hard work, hard work, hard work.
What you want to be remembered
As a technocrats.
So you can list few of the steel projects that you are currently working on.
Currently, as I mentioned, I am right now working on the Goa airport roof truss. That is my challenging work. Currently, I am doing.
Any steel projects in the pipeline?
Right now, no. Apart from that, no.